Hey y'all, come hang out with me in my fluid art studio. So today I'm checking out a dark canvas versus a light canvas. When you start off with those colors and add paint to them, does it enhance your colors? Hey everybody. Welcome to my In the Fluid Art Studio number 10. Today I'm going to do a negative edge on a dark canvas using black as the negative outline. It does enhance the outline for the negative edge using the darker canvas for a black negative edge. On the second one, I'm using the light canvas, using white as the negative edge, doing a cascading wing pour. I think the light canvas enhances the white negative edge background better. It brings depth to the other colors. And if you compare to the other piece, the dark canvas concentrates more on the dark depth of your colors. And it does make a difference on your piece. Thank you for joining me today in my Fluid Art Studio number 10, presenting Cocoon and Red Wing Cascade.